We're good? Alright, so we left off with the frog being mad. And the boy's leaving, and now the frog's sad. So they go back home. And the frog's left all alone. But then he finds their footprints and follows them back. And he sees where they're at. And he goes and joins them. And then, at the end of the story, they're all friends together. Isn't that cute? Alrighty, so if you could take a minute to pause from your dog decorating, we can go back to that in a moment here. But we're going to take the rest of our time here for a second to make our frog. So if you would like to use a different color, you can. If you want to use the same color, we can reuse this rectangle that we cut from our dog. If you'd like to use a different color, go ahead and just cut a slim rectangle out of your big paper.
Can you switch?
Well, there you go. How wonderful. So from your rectangle, you're going to go ahead and cut a small square off the end of it. Alrighty. And then from your square, we're going to lay it flat again so we can make good folds here. You're going to push down the edges so that they meet in the middle, like so. If you've ever made a paper airplane, it's similar to that. And out of our square, what two shapes have we made now again?
Triangle.
Good job. Alrighty, and then you're going to flip it over so that the triangles are sticking up a little bit. And you're going to fold the bottom down once to make a
Rectangle.
good job. And then you're going to fold that rectangle back on itself again to make another rectangle. Did that make sense? That was kind of a weird instruction. And then finally, with your frog laying down on its back still, you're going to just take the two edges of the triangle and fold them up to make two more small triangles to make his little feet. Like so. Oh. It's okay. Yeah, so you go, yep.
And then again, that.
Yep. And then you fold this back on itself.
So.
Yep. Alright, and now you should have your little frog, and you should jump if you push the rectangle part down, or you should just kind of skim across. And you can take the rest of the time to decorate your frog and your dog, if you would like. And like I said again, we can use these later to reenact the story if we wanted to, with us being the human or the boy. We could change the gender if we wanted to. And we could reenact the dog and the frog story.